Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel Bhubaneswari Padhi. So it's that time of the month where I take a moment to appreciate and thank all the brand that who has trusted on me and sent me the products for either review or maybe as a gift to me. So I'm very thankful, and so I make these videos every month. You can check, I have been making this video since last 2 months and they are in the playlist. Also you can check out the playlist down in the description box. I will be attaching the link. So guys, without any further ado, let's continue with today's video. I hope you will like this video as well. So the first thing that I have got in this month is this Vega 3-in-1 K-Glam hair styler, and this is the product that I am talking about. And this is the 3-in-1 styler which has, you can curl your hair, you can straighten it, and you can also crimp it. It's quite a good product and a handy product, I would say, because when you are going for traveling or when you are going to attend a wedding function that is outstation, so you can just carry one hairstyle tool and that will do all the work. So this is how the hair styler tool looks like. It has a straightener and this part is for the curler thing, and then they have the lock. You unlock it and here is the crimper. The plates are also keratin coated. So yeah, it also controls your frizz. I have used it, that's why I'm speaking so much about this product. Now let's move into the next product. So the next product is something that I have received today. It is from one of my favorite brand, I would like to say, for cosmetics, and this is none other than Sugar Cosmetics, and they have sent me their two products. This is the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara 01 Black Beauty, and the other thing is Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in 03 Tan Fan. So these are the two products. I love the mascara. I have used the lipsticks and this is a very nice matte lipstick and the shade is also very nice. The mascara is also something that I have applied today for this video. I just used it now in this video, and I totally loved the wand of the mascara because it was like something curled, as the name itself says, Uptown Girl. So yeah, it's a very nice product, to be honest. Okay, so these are the two products that I was talking about. This lipstick, I already have one, so I will be probably gifting it to someone else. And this mascara, let me show you the wand. So can you see? It's like made upwards slightly, so that it like goes deeply, and like so it coats your lashes with a good amount of mascara and coats each and every lashes. So yeah, that's why I love this mascara. It will also be very nice for brides as well. Next, I have received something from Everteen. This is the Everteen XL sanitary pads, and this is how it looks like. Again, I get a lot of Everteen sanitaries, and they are very comfortable, and they are not made of plastic but they are made of cotton. So if you are like in that time of the month, if you get rashes, then you can definitely switch for this one. And next, I have got two bleaches for review. This one is from Femme and one is from Olivia. The video for this one is already up in my channel. You can go and watch it. Next thing is I have got from a new brand, and I don't know how to pronunciate it. It is Noia. Either it is Noia or Noah. I don't know, so excuse me. The packaging is very beautiful, and the color of the packaging, it's very beautiful, something like lavender. And when I open this, we have two of the products, and this is the Hyaluronic Hydra Moisturizer, and this is how it looks like. Again, amazing packaging. So this face mist has cucumber and chamomile. So yeah, so these are the two products that I have received. I have received it recently, so I don't know how it does and how it works. And the next product is from Serene Cosmetics. I have got a beautiful eyeshadow palette from them. And now this eyeshadow palette, the packaging is very beautiful again. And this palette also feels very heavy and nice. And these are the color theme of this palette. I don't understand, like it's good, but I won't recommend this. Like you can get better options, to be honest. Next is something from Bellora Cosmetics. Again, I love Bellora Cosmetics product. I have this illuminating moisturizer. I already had one and I gave one to my mom, and even she loves using it. If you want a strobe cream, you can definitely go for this one. Next I have got a lipstick. This is the matte liquid lipstick and the shade is very nice and a bright pink kind of shade. And then I have got the ice cream kajal. This is how the kajal looks like, and this is in blue color. So yeah, I love colorful kajals. Next we have something from Fix Derma. So let me quickly show you. So this is the product that I have got. This is the body sunscreen and it is a spray bottle. So it is very nice, but it is very high fragrant. So if you are someone who is allergic to fragrance, then please avoid using it and avoid purchasing it as well. But if you are a dry skin type, then you will love this product because it not only will protect your skin from sun, but also will hydrate and moisturize your skin very beautifully. Next I have something from Nature Nushka, and this is something I've got a combo product, and let us open and see what we have. Okay, the first one is Hair Fitness Nourishing Mist, and this is the non-sticky protein rich. And then we have Hair Fitness Oil Plus. Again, I haven't used these products, so I cannot say how it is and how it works, or even if it works or not. Next I have something from Dot & Key, and let's open this. So we have two of these skincare products, and this is the Dot & Key Sika Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash, and this is the Sika Skin Renewing Night Gel. Again, I have used these products and I'm loving it. I love the night gel especially. I love it a lot. It is very nice, soothing, hydrating, and the face wash is also not very drying or not very harsh on the skin. And the last box for today's video is this one. This is the Blue Heaven Cosmetics gift box. Let me quickly open it and see. Got quite a few products from Blue Heaven. So first is this Hyper Matte Foundation from Blue Heaven. Then this is the Blue Heaven Oil Control Compact Powder. Again, this one is the matte finish powder. Next we have the Blue Heaven All-in-One HD Makeup Stick. Then we have the Extreme Length Mascara from Blue Heaven. And then we have this Kajal Plus Liner Duo Stick. And the last product is this Brow Perfect. Sorry, this is not the last product. I have also received a lipstick which I gave to my mom. So the lipstick was for 100 rupees and it was very nicely pigmented. I didn't like the quite of products from Blue Heaven, like the foundation, because it wasn't of my shade, but my mom loves using it. And then the mascara is something I love for everyday use because it comes out really very easily. Then the brow product was very good, but the duo eyeliner stick, the eyeliner wasn't like, it was very difficult to apply. So yes. And the concealer, I like the concealer because it gave me a highlighted effect. So yes, this was a mini review of the Blue Heaven cosmetic products. If you want a detailed review, then do let me know in the comments below. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to put a thumbs up and do let me know what was your brand. If there was any of your favorite brand, do let me know in the comments below, and let me know what other videos would you like to see on my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.